Ian, can you please say welcome to Project Ratmobile?
Welcome to Project Ratmobile.
Welcome to Project Ratmobile.
Welcome to Project Ratmobile. Welcome to Project Ratmobile.
Welcome to Project Ratmobile.
Welcome to Project Ratmobile.
Welcome to Project Ratmobile.
That was fucking it. There he is, folks.
That is IKS in a Volvo estate.
I'm at Santa Pod. The time is 10 to midnight, and this story, this ultimate episode of Ratmobile season 1 finale it's a weird story, so buckle up and we'll go back in time and start from the beginning. Now. The Ratmobile is poorly. That is the recovery truck coming to bring me home. Jap show is a couple of weeks away, and the dickhead that you know I am, I've just had a bit of a bump. Just gone into the back of someone in a bit of traffic. It's a bad morning, on my way to work, stuck in a bit of traffic, behind a Vauxhall Insignia. He sets off, I set off, I look down to change gear, he's braked, I've not seen him brake, boom. I'm gutted, but 'tis the way of the world. Jap show is looking unlikely at the minute, but we'll see what we can do. Lisa, say hello. Lisa, what? Say hello. Hello, Jack. Oh fuck. This is an update on what's happening with the Ratmobile. We've just seen that I crashed it. We're trying to get it ready for Jap's show so we don't disappoint any of you people. Jack's just been nice enough to take me to... Where did we go, Jack? Bromsgrove, other side of Birmingham, to pick up some parts. Jap show is not next week, but the week after, so that means I've got 2 weeks to the day to get it sorted. What are your thoughts? You can we get it up? Maybe. Yeah, I don't want to disappoint all the loyal fans that are turning up, Jack. That's my thing. Are you coming, Jack?
Nope.
Are they going to see you there?
Nope.
They're all disappointed in me.
Why would I go to a Jap show?
The Micro Saga continues. You've just seen me and Jack and Lisa went to go pick up the parts that I need to fix the thing. I'm on my own right back at house, just taking all the parts off that are broken, trying to get everything out just so I can start banging out new parts in and getting it sorted. See, and the thing is that I'm not used to working on this thing on my own. I've never worked on this thing on my own. I've always had people here that know what they're doing to help me. But I want to do this on my own, I want to get it done. I'm not made for this shit. Okay, it's feeling sorry for itself. I'm halfway, I have taken the bonnet off, halfway taken the wing off, but there's one other bolt I've found. Right back of there, you can see what the socket's on now. There's one more bolt that attaches it to the bumper that needs to come off, and then it's off. And then I'm on with putting the new one on. Right now, the panels, all the panels that need replacing are off. I need to bend bits back that have bent in from obviously the impact like there, and then once I've got that all done, the new parts can go on. Hello! We had some bad news last night. I'm working on car and trying to get all panels back on, and we found a hole in radiator. I'm fed up with this car. I want to scrap it. So today I've called in to help two of my very, very good friends. One of them you know, one of them you've never met. I'd like to introduce the great Jack Betts and Nathan. Nathan, what's your last name? I don't know your last name.
I'll call it Farah.
Farah, Nathan Farah. So they're helping me with the car, trying to get this fucking thing running. It's not going to be anywhere near what it was like at the last show, I don't think. But we're hopeful, and I can't do it myself. Anyway, enjoy these clippity clips of us working on the car and trying to get it working. This video is going to be shit.
Hold on.
We'll catch you in a bit.
Look here, right there. You can see there's a slight crack on the plastic part.
I'm no longer a part of Hell on Earth now. I've been replaced by Nathan Farrer.
So this had a massive crack as shown before, and I've just kind of been bodging it with this sort of plastic welding, but I didn't bring my plastic welder, so...
Didn't bring his Billy. Nathan?
Yeah.
Have you ever watched any of our videos?
Yeah, 1 or 2.
You do realise we're not serious. This is a change. Everyone's going to be watching this thinking, fucking hell, I'm learning something.
So, we're just going to try, see how it's gone. She lives. No leaks, woo!
Hello! We got the micro sorted-ish. Just did a bit of a plastic weld over rod, but we've just driven down to Jack's unit, to get some more stuff sorted on it. It seemed to run fine, but there's a bit of a sizzling going on. Let's stop now, but you can definitely still see some.
The lid wasn't on right, so there was a little bit of steam coming out.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, that's what the noise was. But what?
Yeah, that's a bit like that.
So what we're going to do is we'll clear your coolant system, and then we'll replace it with all new. But the good thing is that it's not leaking out from the side there where we fixed it. It was just from the top with the steam.
Arrived at Santa Pod with the club, the micro club. Johnny and Lloydie, well, the time is now 9:30. Johnny and Lloydie are still in bed. They decided that they didn't want to turn up early like I had to. I had to turn up early to get in the car club, so they are meeting me down here a bit later on.
Hey boys!
Charges in there as well.
Hey boys!
Hey gringo! We are at is it Jap Fest or Jap Show?
Jap Show.
Jap Show 2018.
And it is the last episode of the
Oh my god! Show.
Oh my god, who is that?
Who is that? Oh my god, it's the IKS team, which you can't see because it's
Wide angle, bro.
it's the too far away.
What the hell is he doing here?
He said that he was gonna come and beat the fuck out of him.
Hi guys, just to cover our asses, we're on private property, but this is IKS's first ever driving lesson. You've seen this first. He's had 14 bottles of homebrew,
Jägermeister.
and here he is in a Volvo.
Is that his music playing out radio?
Oh, no, he moved! He's going.
And away we go.
Oh, he's braking already.
I like this music.
There he is, folks.
That is IKS in a Volvo estate.
I want to see him
He
go
kind of suits him.
Without a licence, because it's provisionally expired like a year ago.
and he's pissed up.
and he's had about 10 cans.
I saw him.
Oh, he's going. He's doing it.
Do you know
Where's
when
he
I
going?
went back at Van, I heard a massive sniff.
Look, everyone, you might watch IKS videos and think, you know what, there's Ian.
He's a very respectable man who abides by the law of the land. He does absorb the bumps very well, though.
care how immature it is, it's fun wheel spinning.
Front wheel drive wheel spins look gay.
Pretty much, yeah.
That wasn't too bad.
You didn't stall it setting off, did you?
I stalled it a couple of times and stopped.
Yeah, but you didn't stall it setting off.
What did you want to explain the situation?
Basically, Chris is pissed and he's getting everyone to drive his car.
I have to try and remove the number plate out of it though. You can.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's stolen.
Yeah, it's not insured. Jesus, folks, what have I said?
Ian, what's the update on Chris? How's it going?
Alright, my boy, he's alright.
Is he alright? Is he doing good?
Yeah.
Is he doing well? Chris is actually in the medical wing. Al got up and he was like, oh shit, I need to go take my car.
Oh shit, I've shit bed.
Yeah, Al actually shit the bed last night. Al shit the bed last night. What the fuck did you just do?
He didn't even crack it then, he just smashed it into the pan.
You're fucking mental! This is exactly how the other side live. It's like before and after.
That's
the
mine.
accident.
That's Chris's. Why do I get the burnt stuff? What am I trying out with the shit out?
Actually a pretty cool fucking tent. This is where the IKS squad sleep. Fucking hell. This is King Ian's throne in the middle of all his servants' quarters. Right, are we getting the fuck out of here? Right, Al, what are we doing?
We're just packing up, heading over to track because the jet car's on in 5 minutes, so we want to see that.
Yes, we do. You are correct. Does your car have a jet engine?
Yeah.
All right.
The tractor's out.
What does the tractor do?
The tractor lays rubber down on the track to make it sticky.
Is that true?
Yeah.
What's this then, though?
This is the ultimate driving experience. This is like, you know, on Grand Theft Auto, you know, on San Andreas.
BMW is the ultimate driving experience.
You know, on San Andreas when you're trying to get your driving license.
It is that, innit?
This is exactly that.
It is that. See what this is. He's revving that a lot, isn't he?
Fucking, they'll rev to about 9. He's good, eh?
Oh, he's good. Oh, there he is. There he is, drag car. Ian, what is your favourite war?
Second World War.
My favourite is the mental
Is it
war.
because the most people died in that war?
Who knows?
Well done, sir.
Oh, what I can't put my fist in your college degree.
And I can't have sex with your personality.
Show me your genitals. I wish this guy had shut the fuck up. Whoever this guy is speaking, if you're watching this video, you're a fucking asshole.
Anyone here in the Crescent Road banking who has not seen a jet car, please raise your hands.
You seen one before?
Yeah, I've got one.
Raise your hand now.
I've got one.
Raise your fucking hand, boy. To be honest, the best part about it is this bit, and then when it goes down, it's pretty shit. All he was doing was going yes, 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 oh yes, yes. He was going, oh, everyone walking past you going, oh, if you want your breakfast, get your bacon sandwiches from the next door. I was just fucking laughing. I want to get some sunglasses. I'll buy you one if you want.
Go buy me some sunglasses.
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
What type do you want? No, them. They're your
I
style.
don't like them all.
They're your style, Lloydie.
Oh, they're D&G, I can't afford that shit.
They're men. They're like mine, them.
They're men's alright, I'll have them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you actually want some glasses?
Yeah.
Man, can I have the man? Cheers, lads. Cheers, mate.
That's a Nissan, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh man, ow. Have you seen that GTR?
Yeah, I know.
Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
I fucking like this shit. Fucking hell, it's been used, hasn't it?
Oh god, it is.
That makes it better.
It's dirty.
Where do you think I was this morning?
What the fuck do you want?
Santa Pod Press. I
Alright,
just want to know what you think of the show so far.
I think it's a disappointment and I'm fucking annoyed that I came.
What the hell is that?
It's the new micro.
Oh, is that the new micro?
Yeah?
Wow. Oh, what are you doing? Are you filling it full of water? I won't fill it full of water yet. What if it's got a leak? All of that's just going to leak out before you set off.
It's only water that he's putting in. We can find more.
Yeah, I know, but he's not going anywhere yet.
Yeah, but we might find out where it's dripping from.
Oh, look at you, always trying to fix shit.
Boy, how are you finding today? That's what I want to know.
Well, I got a pair of sunglasses out of it, so I'm not, I'm not too shabby.
Are you not?
No, I fucking hate it.
Are you happy?
I hate it almost as much as Jet Fest.
Jet Fest were alright.
Is that Night Rider's family car?
It had kids and they were both obese twins.
What, the car had twins?
Yeah, the original Knight Rider had twins and they were both obese.
David Hasselhoff?
No, the car.
Yeah, no, David Hasselhoff had sex with Kit and they made
He had
them
sex with kids? And it made that car?
No, he had sex with kids in that car.
Sorry.
Basically, what we're doing now is we're just looking around these nice cars.
That's not what you were saying.
Oh,
You're talking about this guy that put a sticker on your car and you hate him. Yeah, they're far better than you, Alex. Alex, your car's shit in comparison to theirs. That one. I like the grill. Is that an aftermarket thing, or is that like a...
No, that's the model before mine, the facelift one. No, the pre-facelift one, sorry.
Yours is the facelift one?
Yeah.
So they basically made it worse. Oh, I like the tartan seat.
Yeah, the seats are sick. Have you seen the fucking spoiler? I think he's got a dildo as his gear stick.
Is he actually? Oh, that is the sick dildo.
I found another one.
Should we go watch people do donuts?
Yeah, why not?
What do you think, Norm?
I think this is some alpha male shit that I just can't deal with.
Oh, I like that, that's good.
You know what, right? The difference between a lady drifter and a male drifter is when he was going round, he had the biggest smile on his face. It looks like she wants to kill someone.
Real blood found on car in abandoned
Airfield.
Oh, it's Umbrella Corporation. What's it say around the wheel?
I ran over Elvis and Trump. Elvis isn't dead.
He's a fucking loser, isn't he, Elvis? Oh, the inside's cool.
Walnut dash. Ow, sorry. Oh yeah, you can't really see because of the reflections. It's very cool. I like it. We found another car that's worth seeing. Very, very nice.
Very James Bondy. Oh, you've started a trend, mate.
Oh, bloody hell.
With what?
Buying shit cars. His car's fucked here and we need help.
What do you need? You poured it in.
Help. How much for a car, Al?
£4 and your firstborn child.
Well, this is the car. This is the car that's been stolen. It's been stolen back. It's been crashed. It's been
Pain in my fucking arse. But we're done for now.
Season 1 is over. On that bombshell. We will see you all maybe at season 2, maybe not. Could you say welcome to Project Ratmobile one more time, please? Because he's done it. I've tried to get as many people as I can to say it, and then I want to put it all together in a montage of people saying welcome to Project Ratmobile.
Welcome to Project Ratmobile.
You're in camouflage.
What's he trying to do?
What's away?
Where the fuck's he going?
He's wanking off in bushes.
Is he going for a line?
Ian, you're a disgusting human being.
He's pissing in his hand and then washing his face in it.
That's how he gets that nice tint to his beard. How was that?
I better not make it onto the final cut, folks.
Ian spends most of his time in bushes watching people.